Ford Bronco. The 66% of the reservation holders opted to buy the 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine. Now, even before the 2021 Ford Bronco was officially revealed to the world, we all knew that the 4x4 had a chance to become an insanely popular vehicle. The Bronco nameplate is one of the most revered Ford nameplates in history, and it maintained a cultural relevance for the entire 26 years that the truck spent off the dealer's lot. Now, of course, the Ford Bronco still isn't really on the dealer lots quite yet, as production was kicked back to the spring, and as the Michigan Assembly Plant gets ready to start churning these 4x4s and put them out on the street in the coming weeks as demos and for the dealer. The folks over at Motor One sat down with the Ford to discuss the Bronco reservations. Now, more specifically, the publication has acquired more information as it relates to customer orders rates and preference. Now, Ford confirmed to Motor One that production of the Bronco is still on track, and that buyers won't have to wait that long to get their SUVs. And that's an awesome thing when you consider just how many people are trying to buy themselves one of these big, beautiful machines. Now, according to the automaker figures, more than 125,000 of the initial 190,000 reservation holders have committed to purchasing the 2021 Ford Bronco. That's about 66% of a conversion rate, which is awesome. And with that said, it's still a bit lower than the 75% that Ford believed would happen. That was back in September. But you got to leave room for error. Now, according to the Icon Communications Manager for Ford, Gian Cadiz, over 70% of these customers have opted for the premium trim, right in line with the early reports, which is good. He also had a bit of information to share about the customer powertrain preference for the 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 engine. And it's more popular than a 2.3-liter four-cylinder. 60% of customers have decided that they want the larger engine, which isn't surprising because the V6 makes 310 horsepower, 400 pound-feet of torque, when the four-cylinder is 270 and 310 pound-feet of torque. So they just want the more power, which makes a difference when you get on the trails and when you're doing what you got to do. The capability, which is smaller in the 2.3-liter. The 2021 Ford Bronco is nearing its debut, and it's just awesome. Can't wait. And the competition of the Jeep is going to make it a healthy environment for us all. What a great machine, folks. This is A Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have an awesome and fantastic day. Hi, this is Bruce from AO Automotive Reviews, encouraging you to subscribe, to like, and to continue watching these videos. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to putting out a lot more great content. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Much love. Peace out.